Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to add a signature in Zendesk. All right. First up, go ahead and log into your Zendesk account. Now, once you're in here, just go ahead over to the top right and click on this application icon. So basically what we're going to click here is just Admin Center. Okay. Just click on it and wait for it to load. Now, once it loads, go ahead over to the left panel and click on Workspaces. Okay. Click on it. Now scroll down until you find Agent Interface. Right here, just click on it. Now once it loads, as you can see here, we are under the Agents section. Here we have the Agent Workspace. You can just click on this link right here and you'll be landed to the workspace. All right. Focus mode. And here we have the signature. Okay. So what we're going to do is just delete these texts right here and type in whatever signature you want. For example, the company name, for example, company, answer ASAP, contact, like that, address, email. That's basically how you do it. Once that's done, go ahead and scroll down all the way down till you find the save button. All right. Don't forget to save the changes. Just click on it. And after that, you're good to go. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.